Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you can search at the search box, this one. And after this, you can click or you can write the resume like this, and in here you can click on this one. This is the suggested template from Resort. You can click on see all, this one, click on it, and in here you can see many template resume on Canva apps. You can choose the resume that you want. Maybe I wanna try for this one, so you just click on it, and in here you can change the text. Maybe you can change the name, or this your education, or this is your skill on, and in here you can change the photo or the picture. So just click on the picture, and after this you can click on replies, and in here you can click your photo that you wanted to add. Maybe maybe this maybe this one, so you just click on it, and after this, if you wanna change this name, so you just click on the name, and you can write your name. Maybe April, like this, and after this you can change the name or the education and skill, and after this you can save the resume in here and click on download. In here you can change the file type. You can change to PDF standard or PNG. I want to try for save to PDF standard, and after this you can click on download and finish. So that's how to make a resume on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.